Chapter 3, Introduction to Windows 10. We will learn about Windows 10 desktop and its components, basic operations on the desktop. Children. An operating system is a set of programs which manages all the jobs of a computer and makes it run. It is an interface between us and a computer. It tells a computer how to work. It is a very important part of a computer. Likewise, a computer has a special set of programs which manages all the jobs of a computer and makes it run. This is known as operating system. Without an operating system, a computer cannot work on its own. Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. are some of the most popular operating systems. Basically, an operating system acts as a link between the user and the hardware. This link is called interface. Windows 10. Windows is an operating system developed by Microsoft, world's leading software company. It provides a graphical user interface (GUI) that makes the interaction between the computer and the user easy. Windows 10 is the latest version of the Windows operating system used in personal computers. It supports a lot of programs which run simultaneously. It provides improved quality of graphics and sound software. MS-DOS, the first version of Windows, was released on the 20th of November 1985. It was named Windows 1.0. Since then, different versions such as Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows 7 and Windows 8 were released. Windows 10 is the latest of all these. Desktop and its components. When we switch on a computer, Windows starts automatically. The first screen that appears with labeled pictures on it is called desktop. Various components of desktop are icons. The small labeled pictures or symbols present on the desktop are called icons. These icons are used to open specific programs or documents. Wallpaper. The background image of the desktop is called wallpaper. We can choose any wallpaper to change the look of our desktop. Taskbar. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. It has the Start button on the extreme left side followed by search box. The middle section of the bar shows buttons with a label for each open application and allows us to quickly switch between them. We can activate the application window by clicking on its taskbar button. We can also add or remove items from the taskbar. When an application is active, its button is highlighted in a lighter shade. The right side of the taskbar is known as notification area, which includes a clock and a group of icons that provide status and notifications about updates, network connectivity, incoming mails, battery, volume, etc. The show desktop button is present on the extreme right of the taskbar. Click on this button to minimize all the open windows and view the desktop. Start button. To open the start menu, bring the mouse pointer on the start button and click on it. The Start menu gives you quick access to documents, Windows applications, Windows Help and Support menu, and much more. Search box. There is one more feature, Cortana, added to the Windows 10. It allows you to search information by simply speaking aloud. Click on the microphone button next to the search bar. Say something about what you want to search for. You will get the search results. Basic operations on the desktop. Selecting and deselecting the icons. Selecting an icon. To select an icon, simply click on it. It will be highlighted. Deselecting an icon. To deselect an icon, click away from it. The icon will now be displayed in its original form. Selecting adjacent and non-adjacent items. Selecting adjacent items, left click on the first item to be selected. Hold down the Shift key and click on the last item to be selected. Release the Shift key. All the adjacent items are selected. Selecting non-adjacent items, hold down the Control key. Click on each of the items to be selected, one by one. This way you can select the non-adjacent items. Arranging the desktop icons. As you arrange your study desk to make it tidy, likewise you can arrange the icons on the desktop to give it a better look. To do this, right-click on the blank area of desktop. You will find the list of options. Select the View option. Click on the Auto Arrange Icons option from the submenu. Observe the changes. Sorting the icons. Sorting the desktop icons means arranging them in a proper sequence. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Point to the Sort by option and click on the Name sub-option. The icons will be arranged in an alphabetical order. Opening a program. Let us now learn how to open a program. To open Notepad program, follow the following steps. Click on the Start button and move the mouse pointer to All Apps option. It displays all the available programs or applications. As the mouse pointer comes over the All Apps option, a rectangular window pops up and displays other options. Booster dose. Most of the ATMs in the world use Windows 7 or Windows 10. Move the pointer to the list of options and select Windows accessories. Another pop-up menu will be displayed. Move the pointer over Notepad option and click on it. The program Notepad will be opened in the new window. Changing the desktop background. Follow these steps to change the appearance of the desktop background. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. A menu appears. Click on the Personalize option. The settings window appears. By default, the background pane opens. Under the background option on the right, click on the drop-down arrow and select any option from the picture, solid color, and slideshow. You can change the picture from the Choose Your Picture option. Click on the Browse button if you want to display the picture stored on your computer. When you click the Browse button, open the dialog box appears. Select the picture and click on the Choose Picture option. You will then see a new wallpaper. Changing the screensaver. The screensaver is an image which pops up on the computer screen whenever a computer is left idle for a certain period of time. By pressing any key or moving the mouse, you can again get back to the normal screen. Follow the given steps to change the screensaver. Open the settings window. Click on the lock screen option. The lock screen window appears. Under background, select the Windows Spotlight, Picture, or Slideshow option. You can change screensaver from Choose Your Picture option. You can select the desired picture stored on your computer by clicking on the Browse option. Recap. Cortana allows you to search information by simply speaking aloud. Without an operating system, a computer cannot work on its own. The Start menu gives you quick access to documents, Windows applications, Windows Help and Support menu, and much more. The first screen that appears with labeled pictures on it is called Desktop. The background image of the desktop is called Wallpaper. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. The screensaver is an image which pops up on the computer screen whenever a computer is left idle for a certain period of time. An operating system acts as a link between the user and the hardware.